this is Tom Cloud with this week's Precious Metals Market Update. All the calls coming in, everything concerned is about what's going on in Greece. And certainly we've seen the can kicked forward over the weekend as they've kicked the can down the road 4 months and agreed on an agreement that they've asked Greece to come in, and the two key things they asked them to do was to improve the economy and put a lid on their debt. Now, I mean, what a joke is that? That'd be like coming to the United States and telling us in 1 month that we're running billions of dollars of deficits per month, and we're supposed to just stop, or they're not going to loan us money anymore. So first of all, you can know that's never going to happen. It's never going to happen. In 4 months from now, they'll have to borrow more money, and they'll keep on, but it'll keep the euro from crashing and Greece leaving the European Union. So that is almost a non-event. But this is also another very important week because we have Janet Yellen testifying, the head of the Federal Reserve, testifying before Congress about the economy. Now, this is different than the monthly meetings when she comes out and makes a 15-minute statement. Then we have to wait a month to get the FOMC meeting notes to find out what was really said in detail. This will be instantly on the 24th on C-SPAN. But the way the markets are moving on Monday as I record this is there must be already something out of the bag that she's going to be more dovish than we thought. In other words, the stock market is down strong and gold is up, which is exactly the opposite of what you would have thought would happen when they kicked the can down the road in Greece. The other trump card, of course, that we talked about last week will be this coming Saturday, the 28th, when India votes to take the tax from 10% down to 2% on the importation of the precious metals. So this will be a very important week for that, and there's millions and billions of dollars laying on the sidelines that want to buy gold and silver, but they want the taxation to come down. And then the other factor is China has missed 5 trading days of metals as they've been celebrating the Lunar New Year in China, and they go back to trading on Wednesday, and you can look for a lot of demand in the gold and silver market later in the week. So if we're going to get a drop, it should be on Tuesday, day after I record this, and even into Wednesday morning, and then we should see strong support in the gold and silver as the week wears on. As I look at my notes here, I just want to mention that we've also seen an all-time high in gold and the euro, just like we've talked about what happened in the U.S. between 2000 and 2012. The dollar was going down and gold was going up in dollars. And then the last 2 years, we've seen gold go down in dollars, but up in the euro, the yen, and English pound, and all the other currencies, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar. So we're seeing the flip side of it. But this is good whether you know it or not. Just because you see your gold going down in dollars is not a bad thing, because more gold is being taken off the market as we continue to squeeze these people that are buying gold in derivatives and not buying it in physical possession. So we're going to continue to see that tighten up. So this will be a great week to watch. Next week we'll have a lot of answers to these questions that have gone on this week, and we'll stay there. But one thing I can tell you is gold is getting tighter and tighter in Europe. As I talk to my sources I've known for 25 plus years, and we're seeing a run and delays much longer than the U.S. This is still the cheapest place with the lowest premiums to buy gold in the world right now is in the United States. So there'll be a time in the near future where you'll see premiums going up in gold and silver and delays in getting them. We already still have a few short delays in some of the metals right now. For any of you that need to ask me any questions, you can reach me at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. And if you're not getting our email blast, We don't share your information with anyone. I send out 1 or 2, 3 email blasts a week to keep you updated on prices and movements. And you can sign up for that by going to FTM Daily /gold or FTM Daily and hit the precious metals button. Or you can go to our website at cloudhardassets.com and sign up and just tell us you heard about us through FTM Daily, and you'll never pay any shipping. We'll always pay all the shipping and insurance. So hopefully next week we'll have a lot to look forward to, a lot of things happening this week, but we're recording this earlier in the week before we know what's actually going to be said. With this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.